I swear it's not even. Why am I so like? Why I can't get the sun? Like, what's up, y'all? I don't know. I'm about to just be in the dark. I'm sorry, y'all. I think it's just I don't know the lighting. It's this anyway, y'all. We found an apartment and it's time to move in. We saw the place yesterday and we like, you know, cleaned and did some other stuff. And today we're gonna get the U-Haul truck and everything to move everything in. And I'm tired already. Like, I'm just a little exhausted already, but it's cool though because it's super exciting. Like, oh my gosh, if you have moved in your own place already, or if you're going to, it's just a whole nother feeling. Like, you don't even think about bills right now. You're not thinking about bills right now. You're not thinking about anything but your own space. And I can't wait for y'all to see it in the progress of like decorating it and all that good stuff. So I'm at the go meet my boyfriend now, and we're gonna get the U-Haul truck and get everything we need. And yeah, I'll be back with y'all later. Dang, y'all couldn't even see. Anyway, so we got the U-Haul, right? And we got our mattress. I didn't vlog that. My bad. I kept the camera in the car. But we on our way to get our bed frame and we in traffic. Traffic suck right now. I'll be back with y'all later. I'm not that good at vlogging. I'm just not that good. So y'all gotta bear with me, huh? Sometimes when I be looking some way, it's like the camera be like over here and I be like, oh snaps, I'm still they can't even see my eyeballs. It's gonna get better. Y'all work with me.
I don't want to steal your followers.
You gonna steal my followers?
You got a vlog or something? I know I'm the better personality, but no.
You don't have the better personality. So.
Definitely do.
Whoa!
Definitely do.
Berries, get on them. Traffic getting a little better though. Like, you see that?
What we doing? It's going straight?
Yeah, hold on. Ah! He about to kill us.
I'm meant to make your daughter cry.
I'm gonna get copyright.
Outkast ain't gonna copyright you.
Yes, they will. Any music will copyright.
Outkast won't.
Just Outkast.
Yeah. You let me know when he finished.
I don't rock with FanDuel no more. FanDuel, I tried to do FanDuel. And FanDuel?
Duel? Yes.
FanDuel. And it did not work well for me.
You did. You won $250 off the Super Bowl.
Okay, I won $250 off the Super Bowl, but
because we only went to put $5 down.
And we only put $5 down. That was my first time signing up.
That was terrible.
But then I did this bet. I was gonna win $400 and some dollars. But Luca.
Shout out to Luca.
Shout out to Luca because he is a great player.
The boy is nice.
But Luca, he had a really bad game. Like, he just couldn't shoot no threes. He only made 1 3 in the fourth quarter. And I could have won $400, but it was him. But I did some other betting and it just didn't go well. So, oh well, I'm done with betting. Where we going? Oh. But yeah, so with the FedEx thing, we ordered a bed frame, right? And expected delivery date was March the 3rd. So we're like, okay, we're gonna just order it. Tell me why it came like February 24th, something like that. I'm like, oh my gosh. And we didn't have the keys to our apartment, of course.
Mind you.
Right,
you're like, mind you.
We
don't move into the first.
We don't move into the first. We don't have the keys to the first. We don't put no deposit down. Well, we don't give our first month rent until the 1st. So I'm like, okay, FedEx, just hold it for me. Just hold it. And now we're going to FedEx to get this bed frame. I love the bed frame too. We're gonna put it together tonight. So I hope they give me my bed frame. Because they like, yeah, your address gotta match the shipping address. And I'm like, y'all, I just moved here. It's not gonna be the same. So
and that's all we're gonna tell them.
And that's all we're gonna tell them. And we're just gonna show them our lease form. I tried to print it out, but we ain't had no more ink. I used all the ink trying to. I don't even want to talk about that. But yeah, I'm gonna let y'all know when we get our bed frame, when we make it to FedEx, because traffic is better. Traffic is much better. trucks passing us up. Crazy. Okay, Mal, you don't gotta try to race the truck. Do not race the truck, Mal. Every time. Okay, we win. All right, we won.
Nah, it ain't won yet.
We won. Stop driving so fast. I do not like this. The truck they experience.
I got nervous as hell.
All right, y'all. We'll be back. So, we just got our bed. And we got our mattress and our box spring. Shout out to Mike's Furniture. If y'all in Chicago, I don't know if they have any other places, but Mike Furniture have some great furniture. Good prices. We got our bed from FedEx. It wasn't no hassle at all. It was no hassle, and I was worried about it for whatever reason. So yeah, about to get my stuff. I have to go to my house and get my stuff, and then we're gonna head to the apartment. Oh, God, I was so nervous. Okay. I was nervous. I'm like, where are these legs?
I told you it was inside.
You did, honey. Okay, so this is our bed frame and the legs and everything. I wonder if it's a picture I can show y'all real quick. I never seen nothing like that.
That's with my wife. Ever.
Never, ever.
But again, it explains why it was so heavy, because when I opened the box,
What's up, berries? So moving has been a lot. Like, moving is just a whole lot. It's been several days since the last clip. Not several, but like, let's say 3 days since the last clip that you've seen. It's just a lot going on. Packages are just coming, like furniture and stuff like that. But I did want to give y'all unfurnished tour. We got a little furniture here and there, but obviously not everything. Our living room is a little junky right now because we've been like, well, mainly he, because I'm not doing much. I'm just helping on the side or doing other things, but he's doing most of the building. We've been unpacking a lot of like stuff and putting stuff together. So it's like styrofoam pieces everywhere, little pieces. And we have our chair and we're just waiting for our couch. Our TV stand. We have our TV stand with our TV, and we have our one little couch here. I mean, our one little chair. The couch is gonna come soon. Then we have a bedroom here. This is a bedroom. This is empty, of course. And then we have another bedroom here. So this is the front door. So I want to see how it like goes. So when you first walk in, it's a room here. There's the living room, excuse that, and there's another room here. We're trying to set up our internet as well, so that's where that is coming from as well. It's some nice size closets as well. Good closet space for whatever reason. And then we go this way. I'm gonna turn off the light. So we have a coat closet here. I just put my jackets here, like when I'm about to leave out the front door. Turning that on, and then we also have a pantry. It's a really big pantry, got a little light to it. So we got just a few things here, a lot of storage room. Got our towels, toiletry, cleaning supplies. I got a sheet down there, and then over here we think we're gonna do like more food. So it will be this side with food, and then this side with like, you know, essentials and stuff like that. So that was pretty nice. Then across from the pantry is the bathroom. I think the bathroom is my absolute fave. So it's like I want to plant right here. Like I have so many ideas, and it's just really spacious, like a lot of space. I love the window in it. It's a nice big window here with the shower. I mean, I like to take showers with the lights off and the sun just shining. I don't know if y'all like that, but I like doing that. Taking showers when it's just like this and the light just coming in, and just feels great like in the morning. And then, excuse our room, but this would be our room. I have a few bags I need to still unpack. Hold on, I got music playing. I don't want them to copyright me. Hold on. Okay, so we still haven't unpacked this. We're waiting for our stand to come. I have a few shoes over there. We got our rack there. Just a few things here. This is our bed. Our bed is finally up. My vision is to have a table over here, a table and a table and a lamp here on both sides. I want a rug down here and our TV to be up here. It's not even halfway done, of course. We just moved in like 3 days ago. Our first night sleeping here was actually yesterday. So obviously stuff is still crazy. The kitchen, so we have a lot of boxes, like I said, from moving. So these are our boxes. Most of that is trash or my things. The back door, and this is our appliances. Shout out to my mom again for that, my microwave. She's amazing for that. Once this space is clear, we'll put a table there. I really can't wait for y'all to see the final furnished look, because like I said, we just got in this piece. But yeah, this is a very spacious apartment, and this is great for just 2 people. Sure, I don't know if it look as spacious to you on camera, but to us it's super spacious. Obviously we have 2 extra rooms, and we just have a lot of storage space, so it was a great investment for us. This is a average apartment. It's not a luxury apartment. This is for middle class Americans in Chicago. And Chicago is pretty expensive to live in, but other than that, I feel like we made a really good investment. And I love my first apartment. This is my first apartment, mine and his. And I feel like we did some great things, because when I tell you apartment shopping is not easy, it's not easy at all. We looked mainly on Zillow, Zillow, Z-I-L-L-O-W, and when I say we got stories to tell, this other landlord tried to go in on us. But anyway, we was searching since like January. It's definitely been a struggle or a ride, a journey. We looked at several tours, maybe a total of 10, maybe 8 to 10 tours. And then we also had to work from home. And so it was kind of a struggle, but we did it. And that's all that really matters, to be honest. But that is the end of this. Obviously, I have more vlogs about, furniture shopping. So I will be vlogging that. I'll do way better with vlogging every step I take. Obviously, I'm new at this. I'm usually sitting down doing the video. But I'm going to get much better. I'm writing down notes, and I'm not being shy about pulling out my camera. But yeah, that is it for this vlog. If you made it to the end of this vlog, you are the truest berry of the bunch. Thank you again for watching, and I will see me in my next video.